It's almost dinner time and you're still searching for a delicious and satisfying recipe. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks With Chicken Piccata Pasta. So let's get started. Let's prepare the chicken. Cut chicken into 1-inch pieces. Now let's prepare the sauce. Time to cook the pasta. Feel free to use your favorite pasta. The pasta's ready. Set your timer for 10 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Piccata can be traced back to Italy, where it's believed to have originated in the Lazio region of Italy during the Renaissance period. This classic dish became popular in America thanks to the influence of Italian immigrants. Looks great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sprinkle with chopped parsley. Let's get a portion on a plate. Add grated Parmesan cheese and, of course, a little bit more parsley. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that is really good. The tender chicken and bow-tie pasta in combination with piccata flavors of lemon, white wine, and capers, along with heavy cream, creates an incredible dish that you will absolutely enjoy. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like dinner's ready. Stay with us. Watch the next video.